3, 2, 1, start.
Hey everyone!
Welcome back to the channel. So recently we had covered our trek of Rudranath, which is one among the Panch Kedar. In Panch Kedar there are 5. Panch means 5. So they are like Kedarnath, Rudranath, Tungnath, Kalpeshwar and Madhyameshwar. Just in that we had covered the one Rudranath. Now we are heading towards the next one, that is Tungnath.
And Chopta as well.
Yeah.
So we have just finished our trek yesterday itself, and we are still thinking how much energy we have left in our tank. So let's see. Hope for the best.
We even got our skin tanned and burned. Look at the swelling I'm having on my face. See
my skin.
Yeah.
his face is looking. Yeah, his face is looking like someone has put some gulal on his face.
Yeah.
I'm
Like yesterday was Holi.
This is your misconception.
I'm Pahadi foreigner.
It was fun.
So this swelling, it's like even I can't even put my hands on my face also. Never mind. But the enjoyment I had, that was just amazing. We were on our way. Our friends told us that here's a tower. It is like, I think it's around 20-25 feet high. They insisted us to come here so that we can just enjoy this view. Very peaceful, very nice. And after taking enough photos and videos, we got into the car and headed straight towards Chopta. Entering Chopta and seeing many cars parked, it was clearly stating that there's going to be very rush today. Stopped here to have some breakfast so that we can do our journey with some energy. You can see that gate. From there we will be entering to Tungnath, and it will be a 3-kilometer track. Let's hope that we'll cover it fast. The parking lot was jam-packed. We were not expecting this much rush today. I believe that such places are more enjoyable when there is less crowd. Started our trek towards Tungnath. It is just 3 kilometers trek, I have told you earlier also. But the problem which we are going to face here is that as it is on much height, so the oxygen level goes down, and that's why you can have little problem in breathing. If you think that you can't walk, then you can also hire mule also. It costs you 800 one way, and if you want it for going and coming down, it will cost you 1200 rupees. Completing the Rudranath trek has given me much confidence that I can easily do this one also. So let's pray. We have covered, I think, half kilometer only, but we have just stopped here just to enjoy this view. Rahul is saying that hut is the mark of like half kilometer. Let's see. Here's my vegan friend. diet
Hello.
conscious.
How are you doing, guys?
And he is my vegan.
Vegan 2, Vegan Part 2. Look at the view on this. Right, let's look up and see over here.
You can see some shops in between. In these shops, you can have tea, Maggie, coffee. But let me tell you one thing, they charge you little more than the actual price because it cost them more to fetch these things at this much height. So obviously they will recover their expenses by charging you more. And here is engraved the story about Chandrashila rock, which is like 2 kilometers above Tungnath. There were many people from the different part of our country. It may be because mountains provide solace to the soul. Here you can see many people taking shortcuts. It is advisable that while you are climbing up, not to take shortcuts because they drain your energy and it does not serve the purpose also. What I feel is, unlike Rudranath, the way to this temple is convenient as it has properly paved path, and in between there are some railings also just to help you climb up, and that's the area where the temple is, and that peak you can see, that is the Chandrashila peak. From here you can see that thing, that is I think that's some scientific laboratory. A friend of us told us that many scientists live here. They live here for the entire year and they do some research on maybe some herbs and all, and for their food supply is done by helicopter and all. And while coming here, we saw that there was littering of garbage all over. If you're watching this video, I request you not to do such things on such a spiritual place. Not only spiritual place, to any place that attracts tourists, because this thing really spoils the beauty of the place. Now we are just half a kilometer from the temple. When I was peeking into this valley, only one thing came into my mind, that is, what you seek is seeking you. The things you desire are seeking you in the same way you are seeking them. That's why they appear in your imagination. So don't limit yourself. Let your imagination grow. Let it go to unimaginable places, to portals of creativity, to magical lands. I don't believe in symbolic gods. I believe that God exists all around us, in the flow of the river, in the whisper of the winds. He speaks to us all the time. All we need to do is just listen. There is no your God or my God. All godliness comes from the same source, just the manifestations are different. Reaching this place really helped me to connect with my soul, because when you do things from your soul, you feel a river moving in you. That's the real joy.
महादेव हर हर महादेव हर हर महादेव बोल शंकर भगवान की जय।
If Shiva would have been a song, then Tungnath would be its keynote. Yes, Tungnath is the world's highest Shiva temple. It is also known as the Titya Kedar, as it comes third in the order of Panch Kedars. Before the temple there is a board which says कन्या भ्रूण हत्या पाप है, सिर पर देवी का श्राप है. This is a thing that I really appreciate about Uttarakhand government, that they really think about women empowerment, saving girl and educating them. Even at the height of we got a chance to meet a cyclist over there. He was also sponsored by Uttarakhand government just to spread the awareness about Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao. Really, I really appreciate that a government thinks so much about a girl, a woman. Applaud for Uttarakhand government. Just stopped here for a little breakfast and like some tea and all. What I found here is that this boy, he has his own YouTube channel. आपका नाम क्या है YouTube channel का?
ये हमारा है UK13 ब्लॉगर.
UK13 vlogger. I found him really like very motivating. He lives at so much height. He has his own tripod, own camera, and just to upload a video, he goes down. मतलब he goes literally down just to upload a video. So look at his motivation. Very nice. बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो, बहुत अच्छा. All the best. And I'll provide the link of his channel in my description box. So please subscribe to his channel also, please. This is our vegan friend.
Just turned vegan actually.
He carries everything with him. Look at this height. He is carrying in this bag this bread, this peanut butter. In
And
this, there are many fruits.
Apple and banana.
Apple, banana, and some appy also. It's very good that he takes a lot of care about his health. And coming down does not take much time because the gravity itself pulls you down.
तेरे को तो आता ही नहीं तो छोड़ यार, ऐसे करता है.
देख, मैं तेको बता रही हूँ, फोटो में जो आदमी होता है ना, वो 1/4 दिखना चाहिए.
मुझे 1/4 कैसे गिनूं इसमें?
तुझे खुद आइडिया हो जाएगा ना.
मैंने कभी ऐसे देखा नहीं 1/4 क्या होता है.
यार मेरे को कौन सा आता है? That's all for this vlog. But before ending this vlog, I would like to say you something. Not say you, but request you something. That please come and visit Uttarakhand and explore its beauty. And you will not stop praising the people here, their humble nature and their culture. This journey made me realize that sometimes simple faith could lead to profound peace.